How to make free calls on TextNow. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are signed into your account. Next, tap on the calls icon at the top right corner of the screen to access the dialer. You can either enter the phone number manually using the keypad or select a contact from your TextNow contact list. After entering the number or selecting a contact, tap the call button to start your call. If this is your first time making a call, TextNow may ask for permission to access your microphone. Make sure to allow it so your calls work properly. TextNow uses your free phone number to make calls over Wi-Fi or mobile data, so you don't have to pay for minutes. Once connected, you can talk just like a regular phone call and hang up when finished. You can also receive incoming calls on your TextNow number, making it a fully functional free calling app. Now you know how to make free calls on TextNow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.